Hey, what's up guys? I got the Rip Clear flat lens protector. I got this here off of Amazon.com for I want to say $19. So the reason why I bought this Rip Clear flat lens protector, and right next to it this goggle cover, cloth cover, I bought these both because the $300 Anon goggles that I just purchased not even 2 months ago, just about a month ago, I scratched them the very first trip I took with them. I want to say it was the second day that I was wearing them. I had seen the cloth goggle cover just a day before, but for the life of me, I could not find this cloth cover on the mountain. So I got this off of Amazon, and I got this off of Amazon. I'm going all out just to make sure my goggles are protected. And I would suggest to you, if you spend any amount of money, even if it's 30, 40 bucks, 80 bucks, 100 bucks, whatever, protect your goggles any way you can. Let's start with this Powder Hound products. Found this, and my goal for the next time I go snowboarding is to carry this in my jacket pocket and put this over the top whenever I finish snowboarding. So get yourself one of these. They're very difficult. I found they're very difficult to find at the ski resorts here in Japan. So get yourself one of these. It's a very thin cover. I would say if you can get one of these, still be careful. If you can find one of these that's a little more thick than this one, because this is very thin. I'm just putting it on now, and I can see the reflection of the goggle through the material. So I know that if it took a nice hard hit, I would still have to be careful, because if it took a nice hard hit, it would still scratch the goggle lens. What I have here next, my second layer of protection, is going to be this Rip Clear flat lens protector. Okay, so I got the package open here. On the front of the Rip Clear flat lens protector, it says it's optically clear, scratch resistant, anti-fingerprint, smooth flow, water repelling, and anti-fog. So I like all of those things. I open it up. What's in here is a lens cleaning wipe, and there's 3 of these in each package. 3 lens protectors. Man, they're kind of small. They're a lot smaller than I thought they would be. A whole bunch of these dust remover stickers. Let's see. It says here 1, 2, 3, 4, check the alignment, and then clean and dry your lens. Peel tab 1, apply your rip, and then peel tab 2 and ride. Not too bad, not too bad. I think I'm overreacting. My initial assessment when I looked at it, I'm like, these are too small. But actually, when I hold it up against the lens, it's not that bad. Okay, I washed my hands and I made sure that I am completely dust and grease free. And just go ahead and use this microfiber cloth here to wipe the lens down pretty nicely. And again, brand new lens. It's been in the package, haven't even taken it out till just now. I'm going to use this little dust. I guess this is how you use it. I'm going to use this little dust sticky tape to remove any dust off the lens. All right, now that that's done, here's my little tab. Here's my little sheet. Tab 1, clean your lens, peel the tab away, and then apply. So we're going to go ahead and peel this tab away. All right, got that part peeled off. Let's go ahead and put the middle down, get it all lined up here. Almost like when you put a protective layer on your phone screen. Okay, so I pulled tab 1 off. I got everything smoothed out from the center out. It was a little difficult because some of the bubbles that started to form as I'm getting closer to the edge were very difficult to get out. Especially with the microfiber cloth, as I'm pushing with the cloth to try to get the bubbles out, you just can't get enough pressure to push the bubbles out. So I really had to push down very hard. Worried me a little bit, but you can still see a few bubbles in there. I'm hoping that with a little bit more time and a little bit more pressing, a little bit more time and going over them again, I can get some of that out. It says tab 2, peel this after the protector is applied, and peel this off. makes the protector super thin looking. You don't even see it really. I don't see it here. I can see it when I kind of cant it to the side a little bit. But anyway, so that's it. Step one, step two. Step one, peel off the inner layer. Step two, peel off the outer layer. Once you peel off the outer layer, you barely even see that there is anything there. So I'm hoping this provides me that extra layer of protection that I'm looking for. So that's that. That's what comes in the Rip Clear flat lens protector case. The initial look when you first take it out of the package is that the protector sheet is going to be too small, but honestly once you actually line it up and put it on the lens, even with these large lenses that I have, it fits pretty much perfectly. It even says in the description on Amazon.com that there will be a little bit of layer on the outer edges of the goggle that will be exposed. You can't really see out of that portion of the goggle anyway. This is to protect the field of vision, not the entire goggle. So yeah, if you get scratched on the edge of your goggle, the aesthetics of your goggle will be a little bit degraded. But overall, with these flat lens protectors, I think I'll be in good shape. You'll be in good shape if you put these on your ski goggles, your snowboard goggles, or whatever have you. So with that being said, I wanted to show you that really quick, the Rip Clear lens protector. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you for watching the video. Go ahead and please comment, like, subscribe on the video to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.